Hi, I'm Alyssa Phipps, the Accountability Specialist for the Martin County School District. I would like to share with you how the iReady Student Learning Growth Score is calculated. All teachers who teach kindergarten through second grade receive a Student Learning Growth SLG score based on their students' growth from Window 1 to Window 3 in iReady. Additionally, support facilitators for these grades can receive an SLG score based on these scores as well. The iReady Student Learning Growth Score is calculated by the Martin County School District's Accountability Department and is based on the rubric included in the teacher evaluation system. The rubric can be found on the Human Resources page of the Martin County School District's website at the link below. Click Employee Resources and then Human Resources. Once you are on the Human Resources site, the Instructional Evaluation System is located under the Evaluation System section. The rubric used for iReady teachers can be located on page 3. The ELA rubric is listed below. Each child will be given a rubric score of 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, or 4 based on their growth and grade level. Once each student has been assigned a rubric score, the rubric scores are averaged to determine the student growth score. The math rubric is listed below. Each child will be given a rubric score of 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, or 4 based on their growth and grade level. Once each student has been assigned a rubric score, the rubric scores are averaged to determine the student's growth score. Each student's growth from Window 1 to Window 3 is calculated for math and for ELA. A rubric score is given to each student based on grade level, subject, and how much growth was achieved. These values are then averaged for each student on a teacher's roster to get an overall student growth score. Let's look at the example on the next slide. Teacher A is a first grade teacher. Teacher A's math growth is shown below. Billy grew 20 points. This results in a rubric score of 2. Lisa grew 42 points, a rubric score of 3. And Mark grew 53 points, a rubric score of 3.5. For reading, Billy grew 40 points. This is a rubric score of 2.5. Lisa grew 94 points, a rubric score of 4. And Mark grew 7 points, a rubric score of 1. Now we add all of the ELA and math rubric scores together. We get a total of 16. Then we divide by the total number of scores. There are 6 scores here, 3 ELA scores and 3 math. 16 divided by 6 equals 2.666. This rounds to a 3. So teacher A would receive a 3 for her student learning growth score. The student growth score that appears in iObservation is calculated by averaging the previous 3 years of single-year student learning growth scores when available. If there are only 2 years of scores, those 2 years are averaged. If you have any questions regarding your SLG score, please contact the Martin County School District's Accountability Department. Thank you.